At this point, you're a pro. You've completed steps 1 through 6. Now it's time to get down to business with step 7. Building wealth by investing. You may be at a crossroads many of us face. Do we pay down our mortgage early or venture into the exciting world of market investments? It's a decision that can shape our financial landscape. But let's face it, this is a good problem to have. When paying down your mortgage early, you're not just reducing your monthly payments. You're cutting down on the total interest paid over the life of the loan, resulting in substantial long-term savings and an earlier payoff date. Paying down mortgage equals interest savings. Unlike market investments, this approach offers a guaranteed return in the form of interest savings. It's a conservative, low-risk strategy that appeals to those seeking financial stability. The appeal of market investments. Investment markets are a dynamic landscape with the potential for long-term wealth creation but also pose a substantial risk without the proper plan. Diversifying your investments across real estate, stocks, and digital assets can spread risk and potentially increase returns. Unlike home equity, market investments are generally more liquid. This liquidity provides flexibility, allowing you to access funds when needed without the need to sell or refinance your property. Keep in mind that cashing out of your market investments usually comes with a tax bill that will need to be paid. The decision to pay down your mortgage or invest in markets isn't necessarily an either-or scenario. Many find a balanced approach effective, allocating extra funds to both mortgage payments and diverse investments. Just remember, it's about what aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance, which can lead you to discover the ultimate wealth-building strategy in this video.